father said, he come and said to me, said, Daddy, I'm hungry, he give him fried bills, said, we should go buy some fried chicken. When he leave the yard and go buy the fried chicken, he don't know nothing again. Till he reach back at the yard. Knock out completely, come back. He can't come to public and he walk to public and so he come back. Can't walk and every day get worse. Till him can't walk now. Public put on weight on him foot and take out all the one you come out and sack it completely. This one come out and sack it completely. The big girl and back, the big of a shine.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
And him come nice and 3 years ago, nobody know what wrong. He have a little slight, you know, just a little slight, but he was okay. So 3 years ago, him mother wasn't home. The father said, him come and said to me, said, Daddy, I'm hungry. He give him fried bills, said, we should go buy some fried chicken. When he leave the yard and go buy the fried chicken, he don't know nothing again. Till he reach back at the yard. Knock out completely, come back. He can't come to public and he walk to public and so he come back. Can't walk and every day get worse. Till he can't walk now. Public put on weight on him foot and take out all the one you come out and sack it completely. This one come out and sack it completely. The big girl and back, the big of a shine. something them.
So where you say happen? Repeat what you say happen.
No, I don't know. Him walk public, and they have a slight little thing there. Now then come back, him say him have kidney problem. If him have kidney problem, he would stay like this. When they get him a public, him walk go in, and when he come back, he lift him out. Then put on the big liter 5 gallon buckle. You know the big shine buckle them.
Stretching foot.
Put on the two of them and it lick out the 2 foot and I saw them send them. And then them a side step now and I want to look on him.
So how long ago this happened?
3 years.
3 years now.
And them a side step him, no matter what we do.
Yeah.
No matter what we do.
Alright, then tell me your name. What's your name?
My name is Monica Brown.
And is he related to you?
Yeah, he's my grandnephew.
Your grandnephew. Okay, so how old is he?
He's 17.
Oh, 17. Look young like a little boy. I could think I was 9 years
He
old.
was going to high school, you know.
Which high school in
He was
that?
going to Fogo Road High School in Sandy Bay.
Yeah. So the doctor don't explain why could have caused that.
I don't know what they said. Some say kidney, but I don't believe. They make a bit with me until I know better. They make a wrong diagnosis with him. When they put the weight on him, because that is what the weight do with him.
Yeah.
He cannot stand up.
Let me see the foot with the weight.
The weight them lick out the foot. See, it twists out. This one straight, but the knee not straight. The knee, it take the knee out of socket and stretch him out. You know, and then when you go back to them now, the other day somebody give him a blind and say, alright, we take him to St. Joseph Hospital to see them say good doctor around there. And then do some ultrasound and thing like that. And then not tell me nothing. I tell them say a public then just hush it. You know when like police kill somebody, there's another police come out when you tell him say so and so in shown you, that's how the other doctor shown you. They don't want to hear nothing about it. Then send you a public, I must say 1 year appointment public for them to come back.
Yeah. Alright then, so which area this you live?
I'm living in Rosetown.
Rosetown.
Yeah.
So Rosetown is the Rosetown at Trenchtown as well. Yeah. So that's on the opposite side.
Yeah.
Because the whole place is Trenchtown.
Yeah.
You know, but you know with name and.
But then they say Rosetown a byland.
Yeah.
And Trenchtown. And
Yeah.
the Queen said, which Queen? You're going to say on the own now.
Yeah, the Queen.
But you depend on the own now.
The people, the government, they want to see all them.
Oh, so the Queen. You see, me never know that as well too.
Yeah, because the Queen did Prince Philip out of them. And him did adapt Rosetown, you know, and fix the road. But me never know nothing more about hello. I don't know nothing more about it, that's all me know.
Last time she go over there, she have to go over there.
Okay.
What's your name? What's your name?
Ricardo Baker.
Eh?
Ricardo Baker.
Ricardo Baker. So the doctor don't tell us anything can get done?
No, they say him sick with him kidney.
Yeah, but
I'm saying that if him sick with him kidney, he wouldn't do him like that. So they are saying that if he meet to the one at him, around the Chinese doctor around by him, Joseph said St. Joseph said he have to get treatment
overseas.
Because there's a cyst on him kidney. No matter what she tell me don't believe say it's that do him like that. I now believe.
So what you believe happen?
I believe they make a misdiagnosis by they see him, him see him and he have a little tip walk. Leave him with it because I know that you come to deal with. Then put on something on him, put on and him over stretching foot and take it out. Now he can't walk. He can't walk and them you can see so them definitely are shown him. And when it comes to doctor, my friend, no doctor is going to stand up with you against another doctor.
Yeah.
You understand? They're not going to do it. You're on your own.
So they really don't want to see him.
They're not paying no mind.
What am I talking about? Money then, right?
Them say I figure overseas go get treatment.
Special test.
So I need some special tests.
Yes. Them do some special test. Special test to get him. To get him thing there. But them have to do better with me.
Yeah.
Them can't tell me say a kidney being so. You understand?
And that make things like more even difficult now, because for overseas now you have to definitely pray. And hopefully you can get something coming through if you get the assistance.
Somebody a good friend, phone call, a good friend when him auntie get the wheelchair and him. So a good friend get the wheelchair and another good and the auntie buy the battery them.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah. But
So,
it's just a try to get him some little type
we need
of
to get him
assistance.
because if they are saying that he has a cyst on the kidney and
Yeah.
one of the kidney and it's not looking good. And I don't know, but still let you know he's still getting weaker and weaker every day. You know, him can't help himself. At one point he could walk on it, but him can't do no walk.
Can't do no walking.
No, just a barely standing up and bowl on immediately.
So the situation deteriorate more now. So you need more urgent help now than anything else.
Than anything else.
So you try you go up at the office, like that's somewhere you can go, you can get
Me
them
not have
pharmacy.
nowhere to go, nobody to talk to. Nobody to talk to. Nobody to talk to. Because if you even go to another doctor, they're going to sidestep you because they don't want to bring you go to them categories that they are in. I don't want to talk against you. You don't want to talk against me, and that's how it goes. You understand? They are not helpful. They are not helpful. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes, it's the system. It stinks. You don't find that in America. You're mad. No matter who you are, you're not above the law. You're not above the law.
The situation is really tough. I'm not lying.
It's stubborn.
It is tough because for them to tell you so the only way you can get some kind of treatment is to go overseas.
Yeah, we go overseas.
You know, they're making things more difficult for you right now. I can't even find it to help out each other.
And the mother can't find it.
So your mother live at Rostown as well?
No, the mother live down at Tivoli. She get on the herbalist, which I don't believe in that either.
Oh.
And he's been getting some.
Oh, Snagger Post?
No, sir. Him. That make me not believe more. Him. The little bottle, you know, the little $50 ketchup bottle. You get that. They get that a medicine.
Yeah.
For $3,000 for give him for 10 days.
So you must repeat that or just for the 10 days
Maybe
only?
3 times.
3 times?
3 bottles.
And that finish already?
1 bottle end up on the second bottle.
Okay. So who support you upon the medication part?
The mother.
The mother.
The mother child.
And his father? What his father?
Yep. What upset you? What upset you? Oh.
What you say?
Somebody she hide from.
Oh.
Him she hide from, but him still she hide from him, but he so him not see her neither. That's I mean I know man. Me know man.
Oh, they know each other?
Yeah man, the whole away are friends.
Oh. Yeah, that's really sad if the doctor don't really ignore him from the situation.
And she carry him back down a public. They get a long appointment again, and that is if COVID is long.
Yeah, I'm 17 now. I'm 17 now.
Wow.
I'm 17.
My 17-year-old.
At
I'm
17.
see my things I want
was going to high
little
school,
boy.
and if I have a phone, I would tell the mother to. I would call the mother and tell her to send him picture. Sorry, I never take the picture and show you in 2013.
Yeah.
Because he was going to high school.
Who's high school?
He was going to Fogar Road High School in Sandy Bay. That's where they used to live.
Well, with that program, I will hope somebody can watch it, you know, and contact me in some form of assistant or some information we can try if we get about somewhere with this. Because
me have him and him. Me don't have the convenient. So as I was saying, me buy the little, me have one government also. The little veranda where they give me.
Or the food for the poor house.
Food for the poor house. Me buy some of the plastic when they sell in the market and back on the veranda. And put a little single bed for him. Which is not safe.
No, because that's on the veranda.
That is on the veranda. That is not safe because if and when I'm there and I shot bus a sunlight street, he tell him to come off of the bed because I know if nothing in the way and he come down and we go through the plastic. You understand me? So me have to just keep on the itchy ears at all time for him. That is not safe. So me have this space and plus some who run here know my son, you know. Some who run your son. Me a cuckoo baby mad, cuckoo woman when they have about the sister. So plenty of, yeah. Well, you know my son, the mentally ill one, good. But him sleeping at the top of the house. But he can make 6:30 catch him in the morning time because the heat will kill him. So what me asking now is for a room, a little room, a sideway where the two of them can be in. Understand me? Assistant with a little room. The two of them can stay in instead because the house is very small, very small. Very small. Understand?
Well, Kyle, we definitely will keep you in mind on the house part to help you out with that part, you know, when it comes. Because at the minute we don't really do any work outside of trench zone as yet, you know, but seems to be like you came to me and you explained the situation.
I have another problem again. I don't know if I not say you feel do it, you know, but probably you know anybody. I am living right beside the gully, not as a gully rat as with some of the people, because I call it daily news and when they come, the people respond by calling me gully rat.
Oh.
Yeah, because me a gully rat, because me can't live uptown, so me have to live where me can live.
Yeah.
Alright. I am paying tax, I'm paying for my place.
Right now?
Yeah.
Wow, the food for the poor place?
Right where me is, where I'm paying for for my title.
Okay.
And the place is not a capture gully land.
Okay.
I am paying and I have up to date tax. Alright. When Earth did the gully, because he fixed the gully, when he did the gully high. The gully high like the dirt to down the bottom high like this. He put the concrete here. You get what I'm saying? So when the rain fall now and it goes, what you think happen? The water go over the wall and eat out the dirt coming into my house.
Yeah.
Coming into my, you understand me? That heavy shower rain the other day before the storm here.
Yeah.
Because trust me, if father never stop it when he stop, half a where me live would gone in it.
Yeah.
And I go to works agency and I beg them. I text the woman and send him picture to her. You understand? Tell me send picture. I beg to take the picture, video it and send it to her. I don't know who else to go to. Because I can't go to the Prime Minister. When they want vote, then come to you. But when you want help, you not see nobody. You understand me? Me want to find out from him. You know, me want to go up on the internet, go trace him, make them lock me up. Because me I go ask him, say, when you want him, when somebody talk the truth, you lock them up. I make them apologize. Me not apologize because I'm not wrong. That thing is dangerous. The water ride. Yeah, the dirt I take out and take time come in. You know what I have to do? Get some grass and direct the grass to there, so the rain will fall where there, you know, too trouble it. You know, it eat out some but not that much, and I say thank you Lord. So, you know, if we have 2-3 day rain, a disaster.
Yeah.
You understand me? And I'm begging help from everywhere and can't get no help. Can't get no help. Works agency not help, not help do anything or no see that. I know the Queen Gully, a Jamaica Gully that. You understand me? So we need it, we think that before one man you get them here, some Monica bone and 5, somebody missing. Then you go look for my body, I see, you know, make no sense.
Gone already.
When you could have did prevent it. I mean, I have nowhere else to go, I can't run, I go away. I have nowhere, that is home.
How old are you now?
I am 73.
73.
I am 73, that is home. I beg them so much, beg them. All the people them saying, go tell me a gully rat. Me a gully rat. Because me can't live on it, me tell so me answer them and tell them, say, well, thanks be to God, I'm a gully rat because you live on the hill, me have to live on the gully where me can stay. You understand? So me need the help with that. I don't know if you know anybody you can talk to about it.
Yeah.
I don't know who else to go to. You understand?
Well, I'm saying hopefully someone who can watch the video and somebody will know about the situation can try to help. Because a long time you ask for the help, right?
A long time, man. Me ask for the help. And I get scared now because we're not getting storm again. I remember Virgin. What happened 80 could have happened here. You understand me? It could have happened here. And we don't know what is what. When is when, who is who. You know, we need the help and each one balance up the other. We need the help.
Yeah. But for this young gentleman here, we definitely need to get the help for.
Yeah, man, we need
We definitely need to get the help for him. Because this one is more than out of our hands because this is an overseas situation, as what the doctor said.
Yeah.
And you say you don't believe in the herbs thing, right?
I don't think the herbal thing. Well, if
the herbal treatment
can go, not can work out through say a kidney, you know.
Yeah.
Mama did have the cancer. Herbal them mama did not take no chemo, you know. That's strictly herbal. Mama take too much years. Herbal treatment, mama.
When she had the cancer.
Yeah.
And how is she now?
Yeah, she died now, we know. But the herbal, when they keep her, cause when she go back a doctor, cause mama never that take no chemo, the doctor tell my sister say, continue treat her from the chemo.
Yeah.
From the herbal, yeah.
I don't believe in it. My sister.
Yeah, because first thing them do something for flush you out. And after them flush you out, you just start on the treatment. And it would mama live how much years before she died?
Before she died.
Yeah.
I don't believe in it because my sister, same Coco woman there, she had a fibrous growth and she been taking this expensive medicine at Dr. Paula a Boulevard and taking and see it kill her, you know. Because when the fibrous growth big so till it reach here so. When you touch it, so it tough like concrete. And I said to her, I said, don't sit with it any longer because you've been spending money, go and take it out. She take it out and after a while she okay, but she wouldn't put on anywhere. She did one place and okay, we're going on until Mrs. Shah get two things and send her one doctor and she get him. The doctor tell her something and she don't come and tell me. So I said, Miss Brown, what the doctor said? The doctor said, I want vitamins. He said, then buy vitamins. And take. And she say, then she come back one day and tell me, say she want to go back to do a blood test.
Yeah.
And she still didn't tell me. And when it reached late, she tell me. I said, then you could have even tell me, maybe I could pray over it. You understand? A cancer, third. You understand?
And he's 17 years old, 17.
Yes, he's 17.
17.
Get up with him. Get up.
17. What, are you ready to make him stand up?
No man, he can't stand
Oh, he can't stand up.
He can't stand up.
Oh, let me see onto your face.
Watch your back of it. Sit up, straighten up yourself.
So, I'll make him face still like that.
Yeah, him head is bigger. Him head is bigger, the head come down now. It look more natural now.
Oh, so like the head that gather water then.
It looks so, but it kind of come down now. Not since him get the medicine.
Yeah.
It come down before.
Oh, it come down before.
It look big.
So them tell you what caused that has worked with the head part?
They don't tell him his mother. The last time we went to the doctor, I asked his mother, say, can I come in with you? Because to me love to talk. I said, let me come in and talk to the doctor with you. She make the doctor talk to her over phone and she no question the doctor.
Yeah.
You understand me?
And she never tell you anything about what happened to the head.
But it come down still it did.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.